He rā nui tēnei moe nei mokopuna me ngā uri katoa o Mākereti Papakura.
We knew that it was probably going to happen because we've been actively pursuing our grandmothers, our kuia's studies over the years. So we've known about this all the time, but we didn't take it for granted that Oxford University would give her her degree. We just hoped that they might, and they did.
I te tau ko tahi mano iwarau toru te kau, ka mate a Mākereti I mua o tāna tāpaitanga I tāna tuhinga whakapae ki te whare wānanga. He oi, nā tāna hoa a TK Penniman, āna tuhinga I puta ki tētahi pukapuka e kia nei, the old time Māori.
We're very humbled by that because we know that the honour doesn't belong to us. It's not just our family, it's not just our village, it's not just our city. It's about the whole of Aotearoa that this woman did what she did in 1923 by enrolling at Oxford University.
I mua o te wehenga o te kuia nei, koi nei tōna whare noho ki te Pākira I te whakarewarewa. He uri a Papakura o Tūhourangi, Ngāti Wāhiao.
The history she wrote is about the land we walk on, the families in these houses in our village. That's what she wrote about. Isn't that great to have your own personal story? You know, yeah, so we're just delighted that story was preserved, not only for us and our children, but for everybody.
Kotahi te mahi e toi ana mā ngā mokopuna a Mākereti Papakura. He whai I ngā tapuai o tō rāua kuia ki te whare wānanga o Oxford ki te tiki I te tohu nui. Te Kawa Paora, Aukaha.